Welcome back to another interesting quick tutorial about edit apps. In this video, I will show you how to delete unused project files without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your edit app. Then every project file is going to be found right here. And as a result of that, you can decide to delete unused project file to free up storage space on your phone. So for that, first thing first, you want to make sure you click on the top right here. Click on this icon from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on select. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the project. Select the project file. Once you select the project file, go ahead and click on this trash bin icon. Delete project. Once you delete a project, it can be recovered. Go ahead and click on delete. I'm going to go ahead and click on delete right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use edits, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.